Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today's video is about Shankara fish fry using Rovena's fish fry masala. When you open the gill cover, the gill should be bright red or deep pink in color. This is one of the signs of fresh fish. Using my pair of scissors, I will first trim all the fins. I always keep a cutting plier in my kitchen because some fins can be quite hard to cut. When I find it difficult, I simply use the plier. Shankara fish is also called Madmal Meen in Tulu, Rani fish in some of the regions, and in English we call it pink perch. Once you're done with cutting the fins on all sides, using the fish scaler, remove all the scales. So I've got this scaler from online. This is very useful for me in the kitchen, and it takes out all the scales very nicely. In bigger fish, sometimes the fins are very hard to cut, so that time you can use this cutting plier. So I have maintained a separate cutting plier for cutting fish in my kitchen. So once you finish removing all the scales, just rinse it in water so that you can make out clearly if all the fins are removed. In some fishes, the gill cover is very hard, so again I'm using my cutting plier here so that I can cut it very neatly. So once you're done with this, next I will just cut it here near the neck portion and pull out the gills and the intestine. Trim any extra portion you find around the neck for a neat finish. Please do like, follow and subscribe to my channel for all the updates on my upcoming recipes. Using my pair of scissors, I will slit the stomach and pull out all the extra lining that is stuck to the stomach, as the intestine is already removed. Clean the cavity and trim the tail. Wash the fish thoroughly in 2 to 3 rounds of water and make few slits on both sides of the fish. These slits help the masala to penetrate deeper, making the fish more flavorful. I am using Rovena's fish fry masala for preparing this fish fry. So I am just taking 3 tablespoons of Rovena's fish fry masala. So you can buy the masala online. I will share the link in the description box. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt. So you can add salt as per your taste. I am adding 3 tablespoons of tamarind juice, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Combine all the ingredients together to get a smooth paste. Here I have used tamarind. You can use lemon juice or vinegar. Apply this spicy masala paste on all sides of the fish and marinate it for at least 30 minutes. Growing up, I had never tried Madmal Meen because our family usually stuck to a few preferred variety of fish. When I was living in Bangalore, one fish vendor recommended me to try this fish and I was pleasantly surprised. This fish was so tasty, soft and fleshy meat with few bones, and every time I tried this fish, it was the same taste. Just let me know in comments if you have tried this fish and if you liked it. Now let's start the frying. I have heated coconut oil and fry the fish on all sides. So once the side is fried, just turn over and fry it on the other side. This fish fry turns crispy outside, soft and juicy inside. If you are a seafood lover, you must try this recipe. Thank you.